Today, we're making a dish that's deeply rooted in Chinese culture and often considered the simplest, almost foolproof hot pot. Some people think hot pot is complicated, but honestly, it's one of the easiest and happiest meals you can make. Why is it so simple? Because you don't really need cooking skills. Go to the market, pick some vegetables you like, and wash them slowly at home. Prepare some meat you enjoy, slice it gently, arrange it on a plate, and you're already halfway done. Hot pot isn't about technique, it's about cooking the things you love to eat. Take your time preparing, wait patiently for the water to boil. The process itself is calming and comforting. But there's one mistake many people make: the hot pot soup base. A lot of people just throw it straight into boiling water, and that's why the flavor never fully comes out. The better way is this: add a little oil to the pot first, then gently fry the soup base. Let the aroma slowly wake up, and only then add water. You'll notice your whole kitchen starts to smell warm and inviting, like home. Once the soup is boiling, add the ingredients that need more time first: meats, meatballs, or root vegetables. Save the leafy greens for later, so you can keep eating without waiting too long. Hot pot isn't just food, it's about sharing time together. With family, with friends, sitting around the table, talking and eating slowly. And if you learned something today, next time you make hot pot, don't forget to invite me, because hot pot can be eaten alone. But it always tastes warmer when shared. Just one simple meal from a single Chinese kitchen. If it made you feel a little warm, come cook with me again.